Let me share with you three live streaming apps that you can make good money from the comfort of your home. Provided you have a good data system, don't worry, you're going to make good money from this platform. So the number one on my list is called Popo. Alright, so Popo is a live streaming platform that you can actually make thousands of dollars from if you know your way around this app. Okay, so this is actually how the app looks like. All right, and I'm going to be dropping all the links to the three apps I'm about to discuss here at the description box, so go ahead and check the description box area for the link so that you can be able to download this app and start streaming to make good money. Popo Life app is a popular app that is known by most girls in the world. All right, so if you have heard of Popo Life before, if you're in Popo Life, just let us know in the comment section. All right, I've earned a lot of money, $10, $20, $50, $100 from this app, and of recent I was like, let me just go back to this Popo Life again. So I downloaded it, and as you can see, I'm just swiping up the screen, so you can see that I've been on this app for like years. Yes, I came to Popo Live stream since 2023, if I'm not mistaken, and since then I've been there. And sometimes I deleted the app and I came back again because the app is so sweet. You can make good money out of it by just streaming on this platform. All right, so all you need to do is just to on your camera, stay on camera for like 1 hour, then go to somebody's party, sit on their panel, and then go back and claim your reward for the day. That is just all that you need to do. And the good thing about this app is that as a newbie, you're going to be getting $10 within 7 days of streaming on this platform. Alright, because each day they're going to be giving you $1 from this streaming app called Popo. Alright, and if you know your way around, if you play your games and gamble and do everything that you ought to do, trust me, you're going to be cashing out more than $10 within 7 days of your time staying in this platform. Alright, and don't forget that the minimum withdrawal is $10. So if you have up to $10, you can actually withdraw from this platform called Popo live streaming app. Alright, number two on my list is called the Bulloop app. Alright, so if you've heard of the Bulloop app, just let us know at the comment section. This is one of my favorite app. I love this app because I don't have to open my camera, stay there, don't move, don't shake your head. I don't have to go through all this stress to earn money. All I need to do is just to go on my panel, stay there for 1 hour, gamble, do what I want to do to earn more on the platform, and then just leave. That is one thing I love about this platform. I think I love this platform more than Popo because the stress that comes with Popo is much more compared to this Bulloop up app. Alright, so I love this app so much. So how you can earn on this platform is just for you to go live, like I've said before. Open your panel, stay there, gift yourself, play games, gamble, and trust me, that gambling returns a lot. Alright, so the app is actually sweet and very nice for us to delve into. Alright, so if I've been thinking of a streaming platform and you don't know which one to go into, think of going into this Bulloop app, and trust me, you will not regret going into this platform to live stream and make money, because I love this platform. So my third app on my list is called the Bat app, like you're seeing on my screen. Alright, so this is how the app looks like, and all you need to do is to click on the link at the description box area, download the app, and then start streaming. This is similar to Bulloop up app because you can actually go live just like Popo, and then also stay on panel and earn on this platform. All this platform, you can gamble. But the common feature that this platform has is that when you refer, you are going to earn massively from this platform. Yeah. Now, how this platform makes money is by you buying coins from either the coin seller or from the app directly. That is how they make their money, and from the percentage that they will get from you as you gamble on people or on yourself on their platforms. Alright, so these are three lovely apps that you can actually delve into to make money in this year 2025. These apps are, and trust me, I have withdrawn on Bulloop and I've withdrawn from Popo Livestream before, but I haven't withdrawn from this Bat Live, although I have up to $3 plus, and the minimum withdrawal is $10, but I have up to $3 right now, and I'm looking forward to complete the $10 threshold so that I'll be able to withdraw from this platform and enjoy my life. Alright, and you know how much $10 is in this economy. If I'm in Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about, or if I'm in other countries, I don't know about that, but you know that dollar is very high in Nigeria. So this is basically how this platform works. So just go ahead and hit on the links at the description box. Want to go into and start live streaming to make money for yourself in this 2025. All right, and if you want me to give a detailed explanation about these apps that I've just mentioned, Popo, Bulu up, and the bat app, I'm going to be dropping a detailed video. Just let me know at the comment section and I'm going to do that all for you guys. Or I'm going to be also dropping a WhatsApp link at the description box, so if in case there's anything you don't understand about this app, just feel free to hit me up on WhatsApp so that we will discuss better there. All right, anywhere that you don't understand on this app, just let me know. I'm going to connect you to coin sellers. I'm going to connect you to agency that I'm in, or the ones that I'm agent for, so that you'll be able to do your live streaming very well. Don't forget that some apps will not allow you to live stream if you have not joined an agency, so you would need an agency for you to start streaming. Don't go to this app without knowing one or two. So go ahead and hit on my WhatsApp link at the description box and chat me up about anything you don't know about this platform or these apps that I've just shared with you guys. All right, so if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up so I YouTube will push it out to as many people that need to make money with this streaming platforms. And also subscribe to my channel because I share different ways for us to earn online 2025, and also share different tips for how we can grow our YouTube channel. And I also come here to share different codes that we can use to get cheaper data from MTN and all the network that you know in Nigeria. Alright, so thank you so much guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I will see you in my next video guys. Bye bye.